guys, I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make bitter leaf soup. Bitter leaf soup is an Anambaran cuisine, which is the eastern part of Nigeria. So this is just a list of the ingredients we'll be needing. We need our bitter leaf, our meat, our cocoyam or yam, ogiri, dried fish, crayfish, pepper, palm oil, salt, nor, and any other ingredients you like to add to it, but this is the basic ingredients. So stay tuned and keep watching on the process and how to make it. The food is ready, guys, and this can be served with eba, pounded yam, ground rice, fufu, anything you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and stay blessed. Keep watching and stay tuned for more African delicacy. Bye, y'all.